the meaning of this term. If you break the word, you will get two words here. The first word is meum, M E I O U M. The term means to reduce, while the second word is osis, O S I S. Osis means state. So it's a process to reduce, or it's a state where the chromosomes are going to reduce in their number. This one is the specialty of meiosis. This one was first discovered by Former and Murray. Two scientists are there, Former and Murray. They discovered and termed meiosis. Next point is about how can we define meiosis. So right now I'm going to give you a proper definition of meiosis. It's a special type of cell division in which chromosomes duplicate only once but cell divide twice. So one parental cell produces four daughter cells, each having half of the chromosome number and DNA amount than the normal parent cell. So this meiosis is also called reductional division. But actually, as I told you here, the chromosome duplicate once but the cell divide twice. So two main points are here. Chromosome duplicate once and the second thing, cell divides twice. So here basically cell is going to divide two times, and because of the process of two times cell division, this meiosis can further divide it into two steps, which are this meiosis division can be further divided in two types. These are, the first one is called meiosis 1, while the second is called meiosis 2. Actually, meiosis 2 is just like the mitosis. You can say this one is a mitosis process. This one is just like mitosis, while the first one is actual reductional division, because although meiosis starts in a 2n cell, but when it divided by meiosis 1, here in two daughter cells, they attain or they will get half of the mother cell chromosome number. That's why at the last of division you will get two daughter cells that contain n plus n. A single cell can contain n or haploid chromosome number than the mother cell. That's why here the chromosome number is going to reduce, and because of this division is called reductional division. While the meiosis second starts in a haploid cell, and after that two daughter cells are formed. As I am saying, this one is just like the mitosis. So equal amount of parental cell, equal amount of chromosome which are present in a parent cell are going to divide in daughter cell. That's why the daughter cell contains same the chromosome number as it's present in mother cell. That's why this kind of division is called equational division. So right now we can configure this meiosis process in two category. First one is meiosis 1 and the second one is meiosis 2. This meiosis can further divided in two types, two kind of division because of presence of two kind of division. The first is called meiosis first, while the second term is called meiosis 2. Now this meiosis 1, which is also called reductional division, this one is also called reductional division because here a 2n cell will divide and form two haploid cell, while the second meiosis, the meiosis 2 is called equational division because here the haploid cell will divide and will form haploid cells. Now this meiosis can further divided in two parts, which are interphase and division phase. So here this one is present in meiosis 1 as well as in meiosis 2. So right now the meiosis 1 interphase is called meiosis interphase 1, while its division phase is called division 1. In the meiosis interphase 1, only two steps are there. The first one is G1 and the second one is S. So the main important point is here that G2 phase is absent in meiosis 1's interphase. The main important point is here this G2 phase is absent. While here this division phase can further classify into two parts, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. The first one is called karyokinesis 1, while the second one is called cytokinesis 1. This karyokinesis can be further divided in four substages, which are just like the mitosis. These are prophase 1, then metaphase 1, then anaphase 1, and at the last telophase 1. Same here, if the cell is animal cell, then it will divide by cell formation, and if this one is a plant cell, then it will divide by cell plate formation. While I have told you that meiosis 2 is just equal of mitosis, so all the process which are going on here, these resemble to mitosis. Today we will discuss about meiosis 1. First, what's the difference in between these kind of division? What will happen if a cell divide by mitosis and meiosis? The difference between mitosis and meiosis. First of all, mitosis. as I have told you, this one can occur in somatic cell as well as in germinal cell. Suppose this one is a 2N cell, a parent cell that's going to divide by mitosis. If mitosis takes place here, then first of all karyokinesis occur, and after that cytokinesis occur. And because of it, this parent cell will divide and form two daughter cells that contain 2N cell of 2N kind of DNA matter. While if this one is going to divide by meiosis, suppose meiosis is going on here. So what will happen? As we know, this one is a division where nuclei or genetic makeup is going to duplicate once while the cell will divide twice. Then what will happen? This one is a 2N cell, a mother cell, a parental cell that's going to divide by meiosis 1. After this division, this is the reductional division. Because of it, two daughter cells are formed, but this is the reductional division. Because of it, the chromosome number or DNA matter is going to divide like this. Here the daughter cell will get half of the chromosomal amount of mother cell. This is 2N here, while this is going to divide into two daughter cells. This will get half of the mother cell chromosomal number, and same here this second daughter cell will get rest half of the chromosomal number. So right now this diploid cell has been converted into two haploid cell. Well, this will not stop here, because as we know, after meiosis 1, second division take place, that's called meiosis 2. That's occur in both of the cell. And because of this kind of division, this is equational division, and because of this division you will get two daughter cell from each of the cell, which is obtained by meiosis 1. So right now you will get four daughter cells by meiosis. So right now some terms are quite clear, some points are quite clear, that mitosis, mito means equal, cis means division. It's equal kind of division that's done in a 2N cell that will further divide and form two haploid cells. Here the chromosomal number remains same in mother as well as in daughter cell, while here this one meiosis, two time division take place, first by meiosis 1 and the second by meiosis 2, where this daughter cell will divide, this mother cell will divide and form two daughter cells that get haploid mass of chromosome than the mother one, and later on these daughter cell further divides and form four haploid cells. Because now the after mitosis you will get two daughter cells, while after meiosis you will get four daughter cells. The second difference between mitosis and meiosis, this one takes place in germinal cell as well as in somatic cell, while the meiosis process, meiosis division can only take place in germinal cell or cells of reproductive organ. Next one, this one happens in diploid as well as in haploid, while this will always starts with diploid cell. That will never occur in a haploid cell, because whenever haploid cell is present here, that will divide by meiosis 1, then n by 2 kind of cell will form, but this one is not possible. You can't divide a chromosome into half number, or you can't divide a single chromosome into half threads. So right now, after mitosis, the DNA matter, the chromosomal number remains same, while in meiosis, this chromosomal number is going to half of mother or parental.